everybody, welcome back to another video about Qtum coin. What's going on in the Qtum? Oh my god, a lot of people are asking questions about Qtum, like what's the price? What's the future of Qtum coin? Is it give us profit in the future or not? Guys, it is a high price coin. You can see the 10.07 USD dollar. That's the price of the Qtum coin in the market. And on the other side, if you look, the chain is open in the Qtum, so absolutely 24-hour chain is 7.95% negative. Negative means the price decrease. The price is in the lows. But guys, don't worry. Now, in the latest situation of the Qtum coin is positive. That's why a lot of people thinking that Qtum will give us profit. Sim, yes, absolutely, that will give you profit if you hold for long time. Every cryptocurrencies will give you profit if you hold for long term. That's the rules of cryptocurrencies market. You can see here, my friend, that is a big time. That is a big time of a long term investor. But now, after a big time, now they start pumping. So that's how you can make money. If these holders, I'm talking about the red line, if these holders decide to sell on this time, so now they are in the loss completely, but they hold, so now again they are in the profit. That's why I'm telling you that please hold for a long time. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Qtum? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.